welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Dansky28 Vlog na nagmamahal at maglalaplap at hindi magsasawa kakadikit at hindi magsasawa kakalaplap sa inyo. For today's videos guys, ay ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang aking lupang sinilangan na kung saan doon nyo po makikita ang pinakamaraming seafoods sa Pilipinas. Ito po ay ang Rojas City, Seafoods, Capital of the Philippines, ay matatagpuan sa province of Capiz. Pero bago ang lahat, paki-subscribe muna ng YouTube channel ko, Dansky28 Vlog, and paki-like and share, and please click the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga upcoming videos. Mega love shoutout sa Team Bus Badista, Team Krukruk, Team Disundo, Team Papa Bangs, Team Papa Jar, and sa lahat ng mga vloggers and YouTubers na ito. Sa ngayon guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang aking lupang sinilangan. Ito po yung province of Capiz at ito po ay explore ko po sa inyo. At sana po ay magagandahan po kayo sa aking lupang sinilangan. I'm proud to be Capiz noon guys. And sa pamamagitan ng kapatid ko, ginawa niya ito para sa akin. Jane E. Estelora, I love you, I love you. Mega love shoutout kay Larivin Estelora TV. And watch this guys. Sana magugustuhan nyo talaga. Let's go to Capiz.
Good day, major tourists. I'm Estelora Jane, your trans tour guide for today's virtual tour. And welcome to the seafoods capital of the Philippines, the city of Rojas. We have prepared so many fun and interesting activities for all of you. And you are about to witness wonderful and beautiful destinations of Rojas City. But before we will proceed with our tour for today, I would like to remind you of our rules and regulations to ensure your safety in the durations of our trip. Sightseeing is fun, but safety and the health of our dear tourists is our topmost priority. First, please keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Please remain seated until we come into a full stop. Let us also synchronize our time so that no one will left behind. The time is 9:30 a.m. We get all you need from first aid kit, toilet tray, sanitizer, and if you hear this whistle sound, that means time for you to go around and enjoy. But if you hear this whistle sound, and my flag being raised like this, that means time's up and go back to the bus for the next destination. I am so excited. I hope our tourists as well. We would like to remind our tourists to please keep a meter distance to practice social distancing. Wear your face mask and face shield at all times, and don't forget to sanitize every after visit to each destination. Let's check temperature first and head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. But before anything else, let's trivia. The city of Rojas, once known as the municipality of Capiz, as the capital of the province of Capiz in 1569. Captain Diego de Arqueda, who was sent by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi from Cebu, landed at the town of Panay and proclaimed us as the capital. And our first destination is the Baibai Beach. Welcome to the Baibai. You know what? Baibai Beach has a lot to offer, especially when it comes to food. Plenty of seafood and variety of exotic cuisine. A lot of food carts in Baibai Beach along People Park selling fried fish balls, sausage, pork, and chicken barbecue. Walk along the street next to Baibai Beach, you'll find restaurants. You pick your choosing seafood and they will cook for you. But sad to say, it is expensive, known for being seafood's capital of the Philippines. Tourists, let's get to the bus and be ready for the next destination. Here we go! Welcome to the ruins of Alcatraz. The ruins can be found in Barangay Colasas, Sitio Nipa in Rojas City. Capiz based from the information we gathered, the ruins are remnants of the supposedly resort to be built by Bermejo family. Unfortunately, it was unfinished and abandoned. The place is naturally weathered and tested by the time, giving it a surprisingly ancient vibe. Not to mention its stands just near the beach. On the other hand, the huge walls for us are comparable to that Attack of Titan, the anime featuring the three walls, Wall Maria, Wall Rose, and Wall Sheena. Tourists, let's get to the booth and be ready for the next destination. And let's visit the Sacred Heart of Jesus. The Sacred Heart of Jesus is a giant statue of Jesus Christ here in Ross City. The 132-foot monument said to be the tallest of its kind in the Philippines. Tourists, let's get to the booth and be ready for the next and final destination. And lastly, let us be amazed and be glorified by the Holy Church of Immaculate Conception. The Ross City Church. The church was founded and became parish in 1707 by the Augustinian missionaries. In 1898, it was administered by the secular priest and was under the Diocese of Haro, Luktugan, and Ibisan, were its visitas. And that's the end of our virtual tour. On behalf of Ross City Travel and Tours, we are happy that you choose us to be part of your unforgettable trip. I hope that we gave you 1,000 of smiles, satisfactions, and memories for this trip. Hope to see you in your future tour. Thank you and bye-bye.